to the channel. So today we have some gaming tech. Specifically, we have the PlayStation Portal by Sony, and we're just going to be doing an unboxing and review. There's actually not so much to the PlayStation Portal because it's just a gaming device for streaming. Not a lot of specs to talk about. So it does have a 8-inch LCD screen, and that can go all the way to 1080p for 60 FPS. So it basically lets you stream games from your PS5 over the internet, and for that you do need to have your PS5 in sleep mode, so you don't turn off your PS5, you keep it in sleep mode so you can access your games and your library over the internet. This is quite some packaging from Sony here. Quite decent, love the colors. Okay, and there we have it, the PlayStation Portal right there. And I'm just gonna take this off and we'll see how clean it looks. So it looks pretty much like a screen slapped in between a PS5 controller, the DualSense, but it's expected to be quite functional. So down below we do have the USB-C port for charging, and we also have beside it a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it feels pretty much like a PS5 controller. Feels pretty much like the DualSense. Has the full buttons and everything to it. So let's just see what else we do get in the box. Let's see here. Okay, right. So that's the charging cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable, so you can use that for charging. That's pretty much what you get in the box. Okay, so this is looking clean, but first off, I kind of got spooked by how reflective the display is. And up here we do have the power button and the volume up and down. And we're just gonna test this out and see how it works. I've been gaming on this for quite some time now, and I must say that for a streaming device, it's actually really impressive. So a lot of times it has like really smooth frame rates, but sometimes it does have those drop frames, and kind of reminds you that this isn't like native gaming. And a lot of times when you move, you also do get some blur effect and some lower resolution while you're moving, like while your gaming character is moving around and the scenes are changing rapidly. But it's not actually bad, so it's something you do get to notice if most times you're looking for it, but it's actually really impressive for what it is. So I didn't just play some GTA 5, I also played some FIFA, so check that out, and it was actually playable, really impressive. I also did some Horizon Forbidden West, and that one kind of had less satisfying visuals. I try to mess with the display settings, but it did have not a super clear resolution, not crystal clear, but it was still playable. It wasn't laggy or anything like that. So yeah, my experience with the PlayStation Portal was actually a great one, and it was surprising to see how well this works for a streaming device. Like, for what it is, it's an awesome device. And the only drawback, or the only thing I could notice right out of the gate that could be better, is how reflective the display is. So the display is super reflective, and of course you can see that. And I also tested the volume, so it's actually quite loud, and it's clear for for a handheld gaming device. So yeah, that's it for the new PSP. I guess we can call it the PSP because it's a Portal, even though it's not called the PS Portable. But this is a new PSP. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Would you call it the PSP or just call it the PlayStation Portal? Let me know what you think down in the comments. And that's it for my review. If you do want to see more videos, please leave a like and subscribe. and I'll see you in the next one.